Hi, hello, welcome, namaskar. I'm your host Shagureka Bhattacharya. The most beautiful Yashika from Yashika Makeover.
You must have CTM cleanser, toner, moisturizer. The Rectal Cosmetics of Forever, which is very affordable, and all the leading makeup artists are using Forever 52. का पैसा होना चाहिए जो बहुत ही नेचुरल हो, राइट, जो आपकी आईज को अट्रैक्ट करे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस ऐसा ना लगे कि आप सीधा से गीता बन के आ गए हैं.
That's important. Hi, hello, welcome, namaskar. I'm your host Shagureka Bhattacharya. Well, season की demand यही रहती है that whichever way you can look beautiful, beat any season. For that, to make you look beautiful and the beautification, the exact terminology we need to discuss with our expert, the most beautiful Yashika from Yashika Makeovers. Hi Yashika, how are you doing?
Good, darling. How about you?
Absolutely thrilled. Well, Yashika, as the season says it all, as the demand is about beautiful looking, because wherever you are stepping out of home, you need to prep up yourself, be it office, be it anything. So what is that first basic thing you need to keep in your mind before you step out of home?
First, basically, you need to have your very good skin before stepping out, and for this, I must tell you, your skincare must be apt. In this, you must have CTM cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and on the topmost, sunscreen is the basic essential for all people in the world. Be it a child, a kid, a school-going person, a housewife, or a working personality.
Wow, that is an important thing. C, cleansing, toner and moisturizer. CTM.
CTM. And on the top, sunscreen is the must-have routine for everybody in the life.
Okay, now if I have to really ask you about, this is the basic thing that you need to, that's a regime basically you have to follow. And it's for both male and female, right?
Of course, yes.
Okay, so now when we are talking about this 2026 trend, what is there in the trend nowadays?
Basically, 2026 meant for the nude glam looks. Makeup hona chahiye, but it doesn't seems to be a painting like face.
Correct.
That's the most important thing. So BB creams are very much in trend, which provides glow, enhances your beauty. That's it. A good kajal, a volumized mascara, good cheeky blush, and then after a good lipper or a lip gloss. That's it.
And you are good, absolutely good to go out.
Yeah. Minimal, and you will look exclusively glam.
That's brilliant. And when you talk about this particular regime, the new thing, I would not say even a new thing, that the basic thing which is going on is the serum. So serum, do you really think that is apt for all age group and that's a must?
Of course, yes. Reason being, serum, if we talk about, there are many serums in the market. It's a hyaluronic serum. It gives you a very nice glowy dew look. If you talk about the niacinamide, it controls your acne. So serum is like as per your skin texture actually matters, and it enhances your beauty, your skin, everything.
Okay. So any particular classification of serum that you need to take care of your skin, because it depends on your skin from type to type, whether it's oily, it's dry, or it's a combination of both?
I must suggest you one serum which is good for all skin types, that is hyaluronic serum, because it deeply enhances your skin. जो हमारा skin barrier है, it maintains that. Apart from this, if somebody is having excessively dry skin, it works as a miracle on their skin.
Okay. So these are the few things which you need to keep in your mind, and fine, serum is done. And apart from that, once the serum is... So what is the difference between a serum and your primer? Texture to same
Basically, serum is used as a skincare product, and primer has to be used as a makeup product before starting your makeup.
Okay. So
and primer always varies skin to skin texture. If a person is having oily skin, then they have to use the mattifying primers. If a person is having dry skin, dehydrated skin, then they have to use the hydrated primers, or maybe dewy, glowy, hydrated primers.
okay. So now, as you just mentioned, dewy. So that dewy look is very much in nowadays. Do you think so?
Of course, yes.
So what is that?
I've seen that Rectal Cosmetics of Forever, which is very affordable, and all the leading makeup artists are using Forever 52. First of all, it is very affordable. Moreover, the results are tremendous. So Forever 52, there are many foundations corrector which has hyaluronic acid plus foundation look. So this is must have in your vanity.
That's a must. Like obviously, it's coming from the expert, so you need to keep it in your wallet, definitely in the bag, so that whenever you are traveling. And I think the dewy look, it is apt for all the weather and all the season. It's whether it's daytime or the evening time.
Sagrika, I must say, it always depends upon person choice. If a person is having lot more oily skin, they want matte look. But again, 75% people always want the dewy and the glossy look, which is
Correct.
always in trend. And for glossy, you must have that hyaluronic serum based foundations. The best one is from Corrector Cosmetics. Secondly, a gloss because it enhances the glass look on your skin. Apart from this, creamy blushes you can use to enhance that beauty.
Creamy blushes. So what is the best color which you actually recommend for all the Indian textures?
If you're aware with the Korean girls,
Very much in demand, yes.
Everybody, you're gonna listen the Korean names. So they use more towards the pinky things, no? So the pink blush, that is the best from Forever 52, Bobbi Brown, and if you want in the high end, nothing like Christian Dior.
Correct. Any particular texture color which you really want to recommend for all of them? Because it also depends on your actual own skin color, skin tone, right?
There are two colors they must have in your vanity. One is pink or peach. Sorted.
And you are done for the day.
Yeah.
And any particular tip or thing which you really want to give the viewers when they are working ladies and they have to step out? So what should be the step out version that they have to just, in a jiffy, they can change it?
Basically, full glam is not possible for the entire day, for
Correct.
day-to-day life, right? So the minimal, first you must have the BB or CC cream, whatever suits you the best.
Correct.
First thing, so that all flaws will be emitted out. Second thing, on the top, a good compact. Forever 52 is the best in compacts. Then after, the most important thing, eyebrow sculpting.
Oh,
Everyone is must having an eyebrow pencil in their vanity.
that's
Yes.
important.
It gives you a proper beautiful look because eyebrows से आपका पूरा face बहुत matter करता है.
It does. And does the shaping also matters?
It always depends upon person to person how they want to be. If they want very natural, very light, it depends. They want very prominent one, they can make out according to their choices.
Okay, now as you have taken up this eyebrow thing, I always have this question. It should be up till your eyelids, आपके corner तक आने चाहिए. It should be down. What exactly should be the correct shaping?
Again, if you have seen Kiara Advani, right? उसका अगर आप लास्ट आईब्रोज देखोगे ये ड्रूपी नहीं होता. अगर आपको बिल्कुल ऐसे स्नैश्ड लुक चाहिए तो आपका आईब्रोज ड्रूपी कभी नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay.
अगर आपको बहुत सॉफ्ट क्यूट लुक चाहिए देन ऑफ कोर्स यस यू कैन इसको एक्सटेंड टिल योर आईलिड एरिया.
Okay, so these are the basic thing which you need to keep in mind because if you want to have a doll look, it should come up till here.
Yeah.
If you really get staunch look, then it needs to be done up till here. Well,
You
that
see
was it.
Chinese people, they're ऐसे proper snatched look. And you must see their eyebrows. उनका last part eliminate होता है.
Correct. But being Indian skin tone and Indian हमारा जो face structure है, you just have to keep in your mind what exactly look you want and then accordingly just draw yourself. So now as Women's Day is also coming up, so any particular thing which you really want to give the highlighter, all the tip for all the ladies, specifically the working ladies, which they should be carrying with them, and when they have to step out for the Women's Day celebration, they can just have it in from their kitty.
Again, good lipper because it enhances your complete face. If you really want to pop up your face, you should use the dark colors like red, wine, mahoganies. And if you want something like doll kind of look, you should go with the glosses. You must carry pink or peach gloss or maybe transparent gloss depending upon your choice.
So gloss is definitely doable in the summers as well.
Of course, yes. I am a glossy queen. I always used to apply glosses throughout the year. And there's a myth, glosses can't stay. Nothing like that. If you have to eat small bites. It should not touch on your lips. So your gloss will as it is remain the same throughout the day.
So gloss is a must for that season. Definitely beat any season. Gloss can beat it.
Of course,
Gloss, your highlighter for the cheeks,
highlighter for the cheeks.
and definitely a little bit of kajal and mascara that is
And
required.
mascara.
And-
Because your eyes should be very beautiful.
That's
You must
important.
have aware about that kajrare naina.
Exactly. So if you need to have those kajrare nainas, then absolutely you need to apply little bit of kajal, voluminous mascara, and you are absolutely good to go for the season. And anything else which you really want to recommend to all the ladies out there?
And one more thing, there are two kind of highlighters. One is powder and one is creamy. If you really want to have very subtle, very subtle look, you can apply little bit flushy kind of that creamy highlighter on your face. It seems to be very natural, very dewy.
Creamy texture, that too in summers.
Yeah. Depending upon skin, if you have dry skin, then if you have mature skin. One thing I must tell you, Sagrika, if a person is having mature skin
Mm-hmm.
above 40s, right, there's lot of wrinkles and fines on the face.
Correct.
In that case, you should use the creamy texture products or maybe mineralize.
Oh, that's a tip of the day. I must say that above 40 ladies out there, that's a big shout out from Yashika that you should be using the creamy textures.
Yeah, creamy textures. More towards creamy textures.
That
if
will
you are having dry skin, if you are having oily skin, then of course not.
Then क्या करना चाहिए?
Then of course your mattifying products will help you out in this case.
And if you have a combination, like I have a combination skin, then what needs to be done?
Then again, I would recommend mattifying products only.
Mattifying.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it'll get पता चले सब निकल के आ रहा है, गल रहा है, स्मार्ट हो रहा है.
Of course, yes. मेकअप ऐसा होना चाहिए जो बहुत ही नेचुरल हो, राइट, जो आपकी आईज को अट्रैक्ट करे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस ऐसा ना लगे कि आप सीधा से गीता बन के आ गए हैं.
That's important. It should not be like a absolute look apart कि भाई मेकअप के पहले आप कुछ थे और मेकअप के बाद कुछ और है. Well, in that note, I must say these are the few absolutely interesting tips of the day which you should be keeping in your mind before you are stepping out of your home. And for the season 2026, these are the trendy things which needs to be kept in your vanity so that you should not miss out on looking the beautiful queen out everywhere. Thank you so much, Yashika, for coming over and sharing that insights with us.
My pleasure, always.
On that note, I must say bye-bye to you because I will be coming back with few more interesting topics on beauty, wellness and definitely fitness. Stay tuned with us. Do not forget to subscribe our channels as well. Take care.
Bye-bye.